Hey everybody, Shalon Winter here. As always, here's the risk disclosure. Trading futures is risky. Know what you're doing before you do it. You can lose all your money if you're not careful. So, pause the video right now. Read this if you like. All right, real quick, I just want to say I am sad that the 50% discount for Apex has come to an end, but that's right, we have our Labor Day sale. 80% off all evaluations. Use code WIN80. All right, this is going to be good. This video is recorded Thursday, September 1st, and this won't go into effect until midnight. So technically that'll be Friday, but it will go on all the way through Thursday, the 8th at midnight. All right. So 80% off your first month, and then the recurring months are 50% off up to 10 accounts. So just like the other sales that Apex has had, Memorial Day, 4th of July, any other time that they've had that 80% off sale, this is the same thing. New sale. So if you need more accounts, grab them up, grab 10 accounts, get going, get them funded. Go to futuressniperbeast.com/Apex Trader Funding. Use code WIN80. Also, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that way you don't miss out on any other deals. And also, in the description below, there's a link you can put in your email. You'll get notified first on any kind of sales or, great things that come from Apex Trader Funding and Apex themselves. So make sure you do that. Follow me on all channels. Join my group on Facebook. All the links are in the description below. All right, so do that, and I hope you all have a great day and trade well. Take care.